How to inflate a bike tire, because this pressure is too low and the ride will be much harder. That is too soft. So here is a fridge compressor, the compressor of an old refrigerator. This flexible hose is attached to the output of that compressor. This end has a valve. A simple plastic hose is just pushed on it. This is just inserted there. Rubber connector, and here is the other valve. This is identical to car tire valves. And this is also a safety mechanism. When the pressure is too high, this will come out. So lift the tire and find the valve. And this is the valve. This black thing allows you to pump air into the tire. That has a plastic cap. You have to remove that one, rotate it to the left. It looks like that. It's just a cover so that dust will not enter. This portion has thread on the outside, as you can hear, and the center can be pushed in and then the air will come out. I'm pushing it in and a little bit of air escapes. This end also has a thread inside and you have to rotate it to the right. I can rotate this end also, or I can rotate the entire thing and it's spinning here in this case. Okay, so attach it. A little bit of air escapes, that's normal. Just keep on threading. And now it's ready. I have an on-off switch here and air will be pumped. The compressor is pretty silent. Air is escaping, by the way. My safety valve. So again, I'm powering on. The air just moved the hose a little bit. The tire is getting harder. Pressure increases. Now it's much tougher, harder. And let's say that much is enough. We can even disconnect it from here. And I've stopped the compressor. So when you connect it and disconnect it, a little bit of air exits. That's normal. And that's it. Air should not escape here. You can thread that plastic cap back and the tire is much harder. Now let's do the same thing for the other tire also. Rotate the tire until you see the valve. It's here. The same thing. Remove the black cover, that black plastic. Connect the pump. Put it on and rotate. A little bit of air will escape. Oops. Okay, let's rotate the entire thing. Okay. Safety valve is fine. Start the compressor. And meanwhile check the pressure. It's pretty soft. Let's keep it until this is blown off. There will be a little explosion. And that's it. So this is still pumping. Pressure accumulates in my flexible hose. The air is not escaping from this because this has a valve, a one-way valve, so air can only enter. A little bit exits. So this has a built-in one-way valve. That head. Put the cap back and the tire is much harder. Now you can ride easier, faster, but of course the bumps will not be absorbed too well because the tire is harder, but you will ride easier. Pedaling won't require too much force. So that's how to inflate the tire of a bike, which has a valve identical to car valves.